Ever pondered the unthinkable? What if, slowly but surely, Earth was being dragged towards the sun? Let's take a chilling journey into this hypothetical scenario. Imagine each day our planet inching closer to the fiery star that gives us life. As we embark on this harrowing path, one of the first things we'd notice would be a spike in temperatures, a global warming effect on steroids, if you will. This isn't your usual summer heat, though. We're talking about extreme weather conditions, hurricanes, floods and droughts, the likes of which we've never seen. Our planet's climate would be thrown into disarray, becoming hostile and unpredictable. And it's not just about a little sweat. This temperature rise would be the first domino in a deadly cascade. As our world heats up, the delicate balance of life on Earth begins to crumble. As we inch closer, the sun's wrath intensifies, spelling doom for life as we know it. Imagine a world where the sun's rays scorch everything they touch. A world where the once gentle warmth of the sun morphs into an intense, searing heat. As Earth inches closer to the sun, this heat becomes so intense that it begins to affect all life. Plants, the very foundation of our food chain, wilt and die, unable to withstand the relentless solar onslaught. Animals follow suit, their habitats razed, food sources depleted. The intricate web of life as we know it begins to unravel thread by thread, but the damage doesn't end there. The ozone layer, our planet's shield, buckles under the heightened solar radiation. Its protective cloak weakens, allowing deadly ultraviolet rays to penetrate and cause a surge in skin cancer and other diseases. The world as we know it is changing, and not for the better, but the disaster doesn't stop there. Next, we witness the wrath of the sun on our vast oceans. Can you picture Earth without its vast blue oceans? It's a chilling thought, isn't it? As our planet inches closer to the sun, the intense heat begins to evaporate our oceans. Imagine the Atlantic, the Pacific, the Indian Ocean, all slowly shrinking, their waters turning to steam. But what happens to our coastal cities as the oceans recede? They don't find relief, quite the opposite. With the water cycle thrown into chaos, sea levels initially rise, submerging our coastal cities. From New York to Sydney, Mumbai to Cape Town, millions of people find their homes underwater. The world as we know it would be irrevocably changed. Millions, perhaps billions, would be displaced, their homes lost to the relentless creeping tide. The loss of biodiversity would be unimaginable as marine life struggles to adapt. As we continue this frightful journey, the very fabric of time starts to shift. But that's a story for the next chapter of our tale. What if a day lasted longer than 24 hours? What if nights seemed endless? This is the reality we face as Earth is drawn closer to the sun, its gravitational pull tugging at our planet, distorting time as we know it. This pull slows down Earth's rotation, making our days and nights stretch out seemingly without end. Imagine a world where the sun barely sets, where darkness is a rare occurrence. This is not a world of endless summer, but rather a world where the natural rhythms of life are thrown into chaos. Plants, animals, and even humans rely on these cycles. They dictate when we eat, sleep, and work. Disrupting these cycles could have devastating effects on all life on Earth. As the rhythm of our world is disrupted, the pace of life would change dramatically. With days and nights lasting longer, our concept of time itself would be warped. And as the climax of this apocalyptic journey nears, we brace for the fiery finale. In the final act of this cosmic tragedy, Earth meets its fiery demise. As our planet inches ever closer to the sun, the heat becomes unbearable. The landscape transforms, morphing from a vibrant, life-filled sphere to a scorched, barren rock. Plants, unable to withstand the searing heat, wither and die. Animals follow suit, their habitats now uninhabitable infernos. The oceans, once teeming with life, are now boiling cauldrons. Their once cool depths evaporated into the scorching sky. The land masses, once the cradle of civilizations, are reduced to smoldering ruins. The cities that once scraped the sky are now but ashes in the wind. The hum of life that once filled the air is replaced by an eerie silence, broken only by the crackling of fires. And then the final curtain falls. Earth, once a beacon of life in the vast cosmos, is enveloped in flames, marking the end of life as we know it. This journey to the sun is a chilling reminder of our planet's fragility and the importance of safeguarding it. After all, there's no place like home.